Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to a new lesson. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the Pashto letter T. In the previous lesson, we learned T. We will practice how to write it, see which letters it can be joined with, and learn some example words that start with T. In our last video, we covered the letter T. So if you don't haven't watched that yet, be sure to check it out. And if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe so you can follow along with every new lesson. Let's begin. The letter T is also from the same category like the previous one. The writing style at the beginning is this one, in middle part is coming like this. Final joint is this one, final unjoined is this one. Look the difference with the previous letter. That was the. The. Look, the. And this one is te. Te. Look, the previous one was te, like the. For example, the. And te, like tolgai, ta. The, ta, ta. The difference. This two letters is very near to one another. Most people became confused on it. Look, the previous one was te, and this one is te. In a words and sentence, like for example, we have tall, te. Look, tall, tall. Tall means swing, tall. The tall day, the tall day. It means this is a swing. The means this, tall swing. Day is the tall day. This is a swing. The tall khram. The tall khram. I'm swinging. Look, if we look to the sentence, khram means eating. Look, for example, the today khram. I'm eating food. The tall khram. I'm swinging. But in this sentence, it means like swinging, not eating. For example, some words that when we look to the words have one meaning, but according to sentence and place have different meaning. Now, khuram didn't give meaning like eating. It means swinging. The tall khuram, I'm swinging, and as in like eating. For example, the today khuram, I'm eating food. For example, the mana khuram, I'm eating apple. The real meaning of eating is khuram. Khuram is eating. Yeah. خب تال به باغ که دی tall babake day. It means the swing is in the garden. Tall swing. Babake in the garden. Look, this preposition we learned in the previous lesson as well. That in Pashto language, like in, at, this preposition coming in two pieces. Panke means in. Panke, both of them mean meaning in. Like preposition is coming like a sandwich. One is like coming in upper part and another is below part. Like for example, bog is inside of this two piece of preposition. Garden. Tall pabog ke day. The swing is in the garden. Tall swing pabog ke in the garden day is. Tire. Tire. Tire in English also we have tire. In Pashto also we say tire. The satire day. The satire day. It means this is a good tire. The satire day. This is a good tire. This good tire day is. The kharab tire day. The kharab tire day. It means this is a bad tire, like not good tire, like for example old tire we can say. The kharab tire day. Kharab means damage. This kharab bad damage tire day is. The motor you tire kharab shawai day. The motor you tire kharab shawai day. It means one of the car's tire is damaged. One of the car's tire is damaged. The motor you tire kharab shawai day. The motor of the cars. Yaw tire one. One tire. You one tire خراب damage شوی like damaged. خب تلگیوال تلگیوال Tolgiwal means classmate. Look, Tolgai means class. Just Tolgai means class. Tolgiwal means classmate. Tolgiwal, classmate. Hartul, look, T. T is coming, like in this project names. Hartul. Hartul Zama Tolgiwal. Hartul Zama Tolgiwal. It means Hartul is my classmate. Hartul is a private name. Zama my. Tolgiwal classmate. They is. Hartol Zama Tulgiwalde. Hartol is my classmate. Tulgiwal में लमा सरा मरस्ते कवि. Tulgiwal में लमा सरा मरस्ते कवि. My classmate helped me. Tulgiwal में my classmate. लमा सरा with me. मरस्ते कवि help. Tulgiwal में लमा सरा मरस्ते कवि. My classmate helped me. Yeah, now is the time to practice all this sentence with me. I will say and you can repeat after me. The only way to learn the language is practice and practice. Let's practice again. Tall, tall means swing. The tall day, the tall day. This is a swing. The tall khurem, the tall khurem. I'm swinging. The I tall swing khurem swinging. Tall pabakh ke day. Tall pabakh ke day. The swing is in the garden. Tall pabakh ke day. The swing is in the garden. Tire, 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 tire in English also. The tire day. The tire day. This is a good tire. This a good tire day is. The kharab tire day. The kharab tire day. This is a bad tire. The motor you tire kharab shawai day. The motor you tire kharab shawai day. One of the car's tires damaged. Tulgiwal, Tulgiwal classmate. Khartoul Zama Tulgiwal day. Khartoul Zama Tulgiwal day. Khartoul is my classmate. Tulgiwal में लमा सरा मरस्ता कवी. Tulgiwal में लमा सरा मरस्ता कवी. My classmate helped me. If you would like to learn Pashto or Dari online, feel free to contact me. I've taught hundreds of students and delivered thousands of hours on different online platforms like Italki and Farsi. You can check out my students' review there to see what they say about learning with me. If you want a complete course, you can enroll on Udemy. The link is in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future lessons. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll be happy to respond. Thank you for watching and look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.